Hi guys, I am Isha Sharosh. I have created this video to promote author Isha Shah. Isha has completed her graduation from the one of the best universities at United States. She is author, inspirational speaker and writer. Till now she has written 8 book titles which are following: Fashion Diaries, Fashionista, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me, Mindfulness and Stress Relief, Be a Dreamer, Confidence Produces a Strength, Positive Affirmations, The Magic of Thinking Big, Give Rise to Faith, and Precious Daily Insights. You will find all of her titles on Amazon.com website by searching Aisha Shah. The spell is AESHA. My today's broadcast is all about create positive difference in the world. Guys, it's about author Aisha Shah's second book, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me, which targets the each and every age group of the people, and I'm providing short preview of her second book, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me. April 21, when I appreciate the admiration of a twilight or the beauty of the fantasy, my soul expands in the devotion of the God. Affection of beauty is taste. The creation of beauty is art. Think of all the beauty still left around you and be happy. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. April 22. Let the beauty of what you admire be what you do. The beauty of a woman is not in a facial mode, but the true attractiveness in a woman is reflected in her soul. It is the affection that she gives with kindness and great care, the grace that she shows. The beauty of a woman grows with the passing years. A woman whose smile is open and whose expression is glad has a kind of beauty no matter what she wears. April 23. Existence is full of charm and glamour. Live your existence to the fullest tranquility and fight for your dreams. We live in a wonderful world that is full of beauty, charm, and adventure. There is no end to the adventures that we can have if only we seek them with our eyes open. The soul that sees beauty may sometimes walk alone. Do you know the difference between an attractive woman and a delightful one? An attractive woman is a woman you notice. Delightful is one who notices you. April 24. Imperfection is attractive. Insanity is a genius, and it's better to be absolutely entertaining than absolutely tedious. Beauty is truth's smile when she beholds her own face in a perfect mirror. It is not the beauty of a building you should look at, it is the construction of the foundation that will stand the test of time. Loneliness adds beauty to life. Loneliness puts an exceptional flash on twilight. It makes night smell better. April 25. The ideal stories of the Christian theory is that the excellently famous creator of the universe has acted in Jesus Christ's demise and resurrection to remove every stumbling block between us and Himself, so that we may discover eternal delight in seeing and enjoying His boundless beauty. If the path of is beautiful, let us not ask where it leads. Everything has beauty, but not everyone sees it. It's nice to just embrace the natural beauty within you. Okay, guys, I know nothing of author Ashusha. Each and every copyrights are under her authority. I purchased her 8 books, read it, and inspired my life. And wanted you guys to do not miss out on reading these beautiful books. You guys will love it. For more info, check link below. See ya, guys. Take care. I love you all. Have a great moments of your life. May God bless you all. Amen.